The gray jays are coming in and taking the food out of the pig pen. I was gonna get them some seed because they'll eat right out of your hands, but then I came over and noticed them eating it all out of here. It's good to see them back though. They weren't here last year. They were here the first year, but then the blue jays ran them out. Last year, the blue jays can kind of be nasty little birds. They're pretty, but they can take over. These gray jays, it's good seeing them back here, but it's funny watching them. They're taking full half pieces of bagel out. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Morning, Huey. Just one egg so far. We only got 3. Might have to get some more girls. We do get 3 though. Potatoes. They're good. I like those, eh? You see the gray jays up there? They're here for breakfast too. Let's put some seed at the picnic table. See him? He's looking for breakfast. Oh, Huey scared him off.
Get your head in there. Like that half, like 3/4 full. If you fill it too much, no, that metal bucket.
Pretty much gone by. Hot dog, come here.
All right, so we went out last night and we got a surprise that we've been wanting for a while now. Let's go see. Notice anything different? It looks like back 4 months ago. A bunch more chickens. We replaced the flock. We lost 3 hens and we bought 3 new ones. Except one is a bit weird because we picked up Rhode Island Reds and, well, you can come and see what one looks like.
This one's new, and that one, we think.
Yeah, I think so.
Little darker ones.
And here's Mini-Me.
I shall call him Mini-Me.
Mini Huey. She loves being up perched as well. So that's not clearly a Rhode Island Red.
It's a Rhode Island White.
Rhode Island White. Now, she's a Leghorn. I had to message the lady and ask what she was because I wasn't sure. She's a very nice girl, but
She's just little.
But unfortunately, she's the only white one and kind of picked on, so she's scared to death. Hello. She's been hiding up here for the majority of the day. So we'll have 1 white egg and 5 brown. It'd be cool when she lays, whenever she gets comfortable enough. Hello. Oh, it's a big stretch.
We'll know who's not laying.
Yeah, she hasn't laid yet today. I do know that. Hello. Hello. So we should be back up to 6 eggs. Today we got 4 so far, but I normally was getting 3. So 1 did lay. One of the new girls laid. I'm waiting on 2 more eggs, but clearly she's stressed out because she's been picked on a lot since she got here. And then one other one's holding out on me. So hopefully we get one by the end of the day or a couple more tomorrow. It might take a day or 2 because they literally just moved here last night. So they were transported, which is a couple-hour drive away, and then thrown in here with a bunch of other girls. And Huey. He's been enjoying having more ladies. Hello.
Like her?
Yeah, she's my favorite. I call her Mimi.
It's a nice name.
Yep.
Oh, put your wings down, Huey. It's just us.
Huey's a little mini turkey.
Yeah, he's so big. Oh, what are you doing?
He wants to protect the girls a lot.
It's Huey's mansion, isn't it?
Yep, he wants to protect those girls.
Here we are.
Putting the weight on.
Hi, guys.
They're getting longer. All right, so also, as you know, we've been building this garage, and it's been a little while waiting on trusses. It's been like 6 weeks waiting on these trusses, actually. They're coming today, so we're going to do these tomorrow. At least start them tomorrow. We'll probably get them up tomorrow and then put the gable ladders on. If not tomorrow, the next day, we'll see. See how the weather is. It's been raining a lot lately because it basically rained 0 all summer, so now it is, though. But that's good. But the trusses are finally here, so the garage project will be going ahead. So then once you get the trusses, then we get the metal coming like the next day too. We'll obviously got to strap it, so there'll be lots to do. As soon as that's really the only thing we're waiting on is them, and then we can basically do all of it. So that's awesome. So keep an eye out for that. Hey, another thing we've never mentioned, I don't think, on here is that the link to follow us on Instagram is below. So it's just instagram.com/Mapleberry Farm, and we share some extra stuff over there. So you can go check that out over at Instagram. We've just started it probably in the springtime, but not sure if we ever mentioned it. But there is some extra stuff over there. Sometimes we throw it on there ahead of time before we actually put it in videos and stuff too. So check that out.
We also have some new merchandise on our Teespring store, so the links are below, and we have a new mug, Coffee with Ashley, and it's me on the mug. So you can get yourself a mug. We can have coffee together. Woo! Every morning, drink out of your Coffee with Ashley, and it's like I'm right there with you having a coffee. So check out our Teespring store, lots of other things. That's just a cool mug because I'm on it. And yeah, links are below.
So again, lots going on here. The trusses are on their way. Get some more chickens. We're going to have 6 going in the winter now, so 6 eggs seems to do us pretty good because we don't sell them or nothing, just use them for ourselves, bacon, eating, and all that. Oh, and also we're hoping now that the leaves are getting down on these trees, a lot of people have been missing the live streams because we used to go like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Wednesday was always a live stream, or, you know, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday kind of thing. And then the midweek one was always live stream. We haven't been able to do that because, here, show you. That's our internet pole, and that shoots over there. So once the trees get up, it's going to shoot like 22K away. So when the trees get up, it blocks it and slows it right down. It's already not that great. So for it to do that, that's not good. But now the leaves are starting to take off over there because the winter, it's not, we can do a pretty decent stream. But it was starting to crap out on us in the summer. But anyways, look out for the live stream. We're going to give it a try here probably in the next week or 2, I would most likely. But just so you know, that's what's going on here. And in the future, this here is actually going to be a couple feet higher, the walls. Also, it's up higher. If you look, that's lower than the garage is. So the garage will be up higher. So we may actually move that internet pole over on top of this. Anyways, have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. Lots going on, and we'll see you soon.
So, this is a mouse black got last night, and it's all flat and it's pretty soft. It's really soft. It feels really nice. And here it is upside down.